Hello all, in this video we will see how to assign footprints to symbols in Kicad. So we have if you see here, we have a schematic page here, right? So in the schematic page we have LM7805 part which is placed and connected. Now let us assign the footprint to this. So to assign, double click on this, and if you double click on this, you see the properties page, symbol properties page opening up, and in this you have something called footprint. Okay, so here right now nothing is mentioned, so click on this, you see the library symbol opens up. So click on this and it opens up the references, and here you go to your respective library. For us, we have created in a separate library called fp-library, and we have TO220 LM7805. So right now this is not a standard symbol standard naming, but for example we have created this. If you have some other component, you can see, you can consider whatever is as per your requirement from these library names and then parts inside, and assign it. Now let us see how to assign this. When you go here and here and then double click on this, automatically you can see it shows the footprint name and the library from which it is assigned, and then click OK. That's it. We have the footprint name, and when you double click, every time you see the component footprint assigned to the symbol. This is how we assign footprints to symbols in Kicad. Thank you.